I'm Lily Gavassis with the HB Zachary Orchestra doing a quick tutorial on the melody of Jingle Bells for violin. We're going to take it step by step and make it super easy. So here we go. Here is Jingle Bells. We're going to start in F sharp. We're going to play that. Think about it, Jingle Bells. So F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, bum, bum, bum. That's going to be a huge pattern in what we're playing. So F sharp. Again. F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, then you're going to go F sharp, A, D, E, F sharp, rest, rest, rest. Here's your G. G, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, E, rest. This one, for sure, open A, because you want it to ring out like, hey. We're going to go back to the F sharp 3 times. So F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. You could even do 4th finger for this next A. F sharp, A, D, E, F sharp. Get ready for your G, 3. Ready, and G, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, A, G, E, E. The reason why I'm doing a 4th finger A instead of an open A on most of these is because A is the highest note that we're playing. The only open A I like to use is the, oh, if it is to ride in one-horse open sleigh, hey! It's almost like saying A, an A string. You want it to be super loud and ring out. The other ones have notes afterwards that are on the D string, and that's why I'm doing the open A. So let's try it now with the bow. Your F sharp. Hopefully you can see my fingers. Nice relaxed bow hold. Here we go. F sharp. F sharp. Rest, rest, rest. And here's the open A. Then F sharp. 4th finger A. Get ready for the G. 4th finger A. Once you have the left hand down and the bowing down, you could start adding different styles. Instead of a long legato bow, you can add a bouncier bow. So when you add your notes, you can add different kinds of styles that you want. Make it more staccato, make it a little bit more bouncy, make it a little bit happier sounding. Once you get your left hand fingers down, they're going to do the exact same thing. What you're changing is the bow. So I will leave that to you to have fun and experiment. Hopefully you'll find a sound that you like on your bow and are able to play this wonderful Jingle Bells. Let me know how it goes. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, send me an email. Like, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff, and have a fantastic, wonderful day.